Hello everyone, we are Team Glorietition and we are excited to present our research titled A Gaussian-Carnot Non-Parametric Regression Impact on Income, Fertility, and Unemployment on Poverty in Southeast Asia. Introduction: Poverty remains a significant issue in Southeast Asia despite rapid economic growth in the region. In Indonesia, the largest Asian country by population, economic progress has been uneven, with urban and formal sector advancing where rural and informal sector lag. As a result, Indonesia's poverty rate above 9% higher than Malaysia, Vietnam, and Thailand. This highlights the challenge of inclusive economic growth. Poverty is influenced by factors like per capita income, fertility rates, and unemployment. While higher per capita income can reduce poverty, income inequality weakens its impact. Higher fertility rates increase household dependency, and persistent unemployment reduces purchasing power. The Indonesia government has implemented programs like social assistance and rural infrastructure development, but poverty is not just economic. It is also structural and social, with disparities in access to education, healthcare, and employment, especially in underdeveloped areas.
Variables and method. This study uses data on poverty levels in Indonesia from 2000 to 2024. Indonesia was chosen because it has complex economic and social conditions and represents the characteristic of the Southeast Asian region. The variables used consist of one dependent variable, namely poverty level, and three independent variables, namely per capita income, fertility rate, and employment rate. The method used is Gaussian-Carnot non-parametric regression, which is capable of describing the relationship between variables without assuming the specific relationship. The analysis was conducted using RStudio to produce accurate estimates and visualizations. Result and discussion. The analysis was conducted using the non-parametric Carnot regression method with Gaussian-Carnot function. Model parameter selection through the generalized cross-validation process produced an optimal combination, ensuring the balanced trade-off between curve smoothness and estimation accuracy. The estimation results showed that all variables significantly affected poverty levels. Per capita income was found to have a negative relationship with poverty, indicating that higher income leads to a reduction in poverty levels. In contrast, the fertility rate had a positive influence, meaning that higher fertility tends to increase poverty. The unemployment rate also showed a positive association with poverty, suggesting that higher unemployment levels correspond to higher poverty rates. The evaluation of the model demonstrates very high accuracy, with prediction closely following the actual data. This confirms that the model effectively captures the relationship patterns between economic and demographic variables influencing poverty. Overall, the findings emphasize that poverty in Indonesia is shaped by complex and non-linear interaction among income, fertility, and unemployment. Therefore, effective poverty reduction policies focus on promoting equitable income distribution, improving access to employment opportunities, and controlling fertility rates to achieve inclusive and sustainable economic growth.
Conclusion: the research showed that the non-parametric Carnot regression model accurately captured the relationship between per capita income, fertility, unemployment with poverty in Indonesia. It highlights that small changes in these factors can significantly impact poverty dynamics. The findings suggest that rising per capita income must be paired with inclusive development to prevent economic growth from being concentrated in urban or high-income areas. Policies supporting small and medium enterprises, improving financial access, and ensuring equal infrastructure are essential. High fertility rates, particularly in rural areas, increase poverty risk. Strengthening family planning, reproductive education, and empowering women are key to reducing economic burden. Additionally, addressing unemployment through local industrialization, skill training, and workforce modernization is vital for sustainable poverty reduction. These are references that we use for this research. Thank you!